We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can set alarm in Oppo phone. So in order to do that, you will firstly need to launch the clock app. And as you can see, the alarm section is first. You also have the ward clock, stopwatch or timer, but we are interested in the alarm section today in particular. You can also just tap at the time fidget like that, or swipe the notification panel down and tap at the time over there. So once you've made it to the alarm page, in order to set a new alarm, you will need to tap at this plus icon over here, then set the preferred alarm time, choose if you would like for it to ring once or multiple times, set an alarm name, ringtone, choose if you would like for it to vibrate, and set up your snoozing preferences. Then do not forget to save the alarm by hitting the check icon, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.